or a professional attire is more fitting.
A job interview isn't a test of your knowledge but your ability to check it in the right time. A very hearty good morning to the respected teachers and all my dear classmates. Myself Sneha Swaraj, the student of KU Men's College Department of BMLT Semester 1, and here is our group, and we are gathered over here to discuss how to master the art effective interviews. Interviews are the gateways, opportunity, and the stepping stones of success. I would like to call Sagufta. She is going to explain. Preparation is the key. So Sagufta, please come.
Good morning everyone. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Sagufta Parveen, the student of BMLT Sem 1. I am here to explain concise which in the topic of preparation is the key. Preparation is the key. Preparation is the foundation of any successful interview. It involves research, self-assessment and understanding the interview format. Began by researching organization project their value. Familiarize yourself with their missions, values, goals, and research achievement. This knowledge demonstrate your genuine interest and elegance your responses with their objective. If you are interviewing for a job at a teacher startup, research their product. This information can be invaluable during the interview. Thank you.
Thank you, Sagupta. I would like to call in Sa. She is going to explain the topic Know Yourself.
A very warm good morning to everyone, my respected teachers and dear all friends. Myself Insha Abdin from the Department of Humanity Sem 1. Now we here discuss about Know Yourself, which is the topic of interview. Know yourself. Self-assessment is equally vital. Reflect on your qualification, experience, strength. Think about how your skill and background align with the position or opportunity you are pursuing. Be ready to discuss about past experience and self-assessment is in a way that highlights your superiority. Then thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you, Insa. I would like to call Sonam. She is going to explain the topic Practice, Practice, Practice.
Good morning all of you, respected teacher and my dear friends. Myself Sonam Kumari Yadav, a student of BMLT Sem 1. I am here to explain practice, 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 which is the topic of interview. Conduct mock interview with a friend or mentors. Practice is like doing something over and over to get better at it. It's how we learn and improve our skills. Whether it's playing a musical instrument, playing a sports and learning in school, practice helps us become more confident and capable. The more you practice, the more you understand and the better you become. For example, imagine learning to ride a bike. At first, it might feel tricky, but as you keep trying, your balance improves and soon you can ride smoothly. That's the result of practice. The practice also boosts your confidence, reducing anxiety on the actual interview day. This will help you become more confident, more comfortable with the interview format. And last, thank you for all teachers and especially for Rahul sir giving me a special opportunity, and thank you all the students present here.
Thank you, Sonam. I would like to call Tamsil. She is going to explain Dress for Success.
Good morning, respected teachers and all my friends. Myself Tamsil Bhutto. I am standing over here to tell about how to dress up for interviews. Which one is the part of interviews? First, impressions matter. Considering the organization and industry's culture, aim for a professional appearance that reflects your respect for the opportunity. In a corporate setting, a professional attire is more fitting. In a creative field, smart casual attire may be more fitting. Here are a few examples of dress for men and women for interviews. For men, a well-fitted suit paired with polished shoes or tie. For women can opt for a tailored shoes paired with closed-toe shoes with minimal jewelry. Thank you.
Thank you, Tamsil. I would like to call Shruti. She is going to explain Communication skill.
Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. My name is Shruti and my topic is communication skill. Effective communication is at the heart of every successful interview. Practice active listening, maintain eye contact, speak clearly and confidently. Avoid using excess jargon or overloading to your responses with technical details. Aim for balance to being articulate and relatable. During interview, listen carefully to the question and respond thoughtfully. If they ask about your leadership style, provide clear and concise answer with an example from your experiences. Thank you.
Thank you, Shruti. I would like to call Anjali. She is going to explain showcase soft skill.
Good morning, all of you, respected teacher and my all dear classmates. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. Myself, Anjali Kumari from Department of BMLT, Semester 1. Today I will tell about showcase of soft skills, which is the topic of interview. In addition, technical and qualification skills, soft skills like adaptability, teamwork, creativity are highly valued. Provide an example that illustrates your soft skills and how they contribute to your effectiveness. If asked about a time when you had worked in a team, share an experience that highlights your collaboration and communication skills. Thank you.
Thank you, Anjali. Now I would like to call Huma. She is going to explain the topic stay positive.
Good morning, everyone. I am Huma Parveen and my topic is stay positive. To stay positive means being self-aware and not in touch with feelings. Maintain a positive attitude throughout the interview, even when faced with challenging questions or situations. Positivity is contagious and leaves a lasting impression. If asked about a past mistake, acknowledge it, but focus what you learned and how you improved as a result. How do you answer positive attitude in an interview? Never say I can't do that or apologize not knowing something. Instead, talk about all the ways you are the ideal for the role. So just go in there and remember you are the fantastic. Thank you.
Thank you, Uma. Now I would like to call Sobha. She is going to explain the topic stay resilient.
Good morning to respected teachers and all my friends. Myself, Sobha Kumari. My topic is stay resilient. Stay resilient. Sometimes, despite your best efforts, you may not secure the position or opportunity you sought. If you receive a rejection, consider requesting from feedback. Understand area for improvement. Thank you.
Thank you, Sobha. Interviews are not one-sided integrations. They were an opportunity you to evaluate between you and the organizations. This demonstrate go and ask the questions of interviewer. This demonstrate your genuine interest and curiosity. Thank you. I hope our group discussion may help you in the understanding. Thank you so much, sir, for the wonderful giving this wonderful opportunity for all of us. Thank you so much, sir.